Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry, trying to set this up here while I'm logging on. Logging on to YTech real quick. Got a 2015 Jeep Cherokee with a 2.4 multi-air engine. It's got a P0302 and a P0128. They've already replaced the coil boots according to technical service bulletin number 08-132-18 revision B. So they've already done the coil boot updates, and that's that one right there, which is probably backwards on camera, but it is what it is. So they've already done that. I'm out here checking it out. It's got a 302 intermittently throws this misfire code. It's got new plugs. All the fuel trims look good. Everything looks great. And part of the routine check on this thing is just doing software updates. Hey, Practical Mechanic. How's Chad doing? Oh, thanks. Yeah, we did some filming here in the van the other day. You guys will see that video. Me and Liz did. She's not with me today, unfortunately, so just got to stare at my ugly mug. Anyways, checking this thing out like we normally do. We ran into this technical service bulletin, number 18022-19, which is backwards for me, but not backwards for you guys. That's good. And along with I don't know if you guys can see, there's a list of some of the codes. Page 2. Here's a list of some of the other codes. So software updates fix, like ridiculous amounts of things. So amongst all of those codes are a P0128 thermostat rationality, which this vehicle has, along with the P0300, 301, 302, 303, excuse me, and 304. Also, some customers may experience one or more of the following conditions: drivability bump feeling after light throttle tip-in, cold engine start flare idle surge, intermittent elevated RPM, less than desired gear engagement, less than desired idle performance. In addition, the following software enhancements are available: after flow calibration and minimum spark changes to prevent catalytic converter overheating, and blend door timer change to prevent false failures. So that is listed. So if we take a look here on the YTech, which we've got booted up now, and if we go over to the PCM, it says that it is out of date and currently has one software update available, which is the 1802219. And that's how you would know which one of all of the TSBs that are listed for software updates currently apply to this vehicle. So since that's all that it lists, that means all these other TSBs that I found, these other three that I found, are for older softwares. But this 01822, that's this one right here, and that one is the one we're working on, and all of our problems are in this TSB. So before we go any farther, we are going to do that. So we got the vehicle right there. So basically on YTech, which we're just using, so there was some confusion last time. I've got people messaging me asking me how I'm using YTech on a launch tablet. How did launch get this software? And guys need to be very aware. It doesn't have to be the launch tablet. It's just like the only tablet that I've got in here. I take that back. I got this other Samsung tablet. We could do that. So YTech is just a over-the-air cloud-based internet thing. So you can use any tablet or any Android, any Apple. You're just logging on to a website. That's all you're doing. And then the micropods in the car and connecting to Chrysler's cloud website. And I talk about how this all functions and some of the stuff in a lot of my videos. A lot of the J2534 videos. We talk about how this system is designed and set up. So here's what we're going to do. I can't do that because I'd have to back out of here. Okay. I can't re-log on because the phone I'm on is the one that has my two-step authentication. So, take my word for it. It has nothing to do with the fact that's a launch tablet. It just happens to also be an Android tablet that has internet access. So, we're on there. See, it's just a website. fcaytech.com. So we click this little arrow right there. And it's like warning, and this warning is talking about doing a key off for 2 minutes. Also, the PCM and the TCM both have to be updated together. So we'll click OK. I'm going to put Y. I understand the flash is based on customer concern. Okay, so I'm going to type in Service information, document related to the flash. I'll just put P0128. We don't have to do this. I think Chrysler tracks all this info, no telling. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put P0302. That's the two TSBs or two codes that were in there. Hey Jason. Hey Steve. Alright, so we'll click Flash ECU and it's going to request our log on for Tech Authority, which is already in there. So we'll just click log on and it authenticates. Once it authenticates, it goes ahead and starts the download process. Wow. Focus. So it's downloading the flash file to the micropod. You see it's changing from a 682, 42, or 31A to an O, or AN to an O. So now it's loading the flash file. This is actually going quite quickly. I will tell you this, we're risking a little bit here because I've had problems with these 15 Cherokees not wanting to do these updates. I have to try them like 2 or 3 times. I have failures, and with the micropod it's not a big deal. So let me show you where we're at now. It's currently downloading logical block 1 of 2, erasing logical block. Well, it's boring just staring at that. So anyways, now, who was it? Let me see here. Had 2 people ask me this question about using YTech with a J2534 device recently. Let me see here. See if I can read this question to you guys, and then we'll talk about it. Oh, also update, just lowered the cost of the monthly subscription online training to $20. So it's now $20 a month for all the online training. That's all of the content that I've got. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? I don't remember. I think somebody might have sent it to me as a messenger question. I'm going to try to see if I can pull it up and answer the question. I'm not going to tell you who it is. It doesn't matter who it is. The question they asked was very good, and I'd like to answer this because it's about using a J2534 device with the YTech, and the concern this person's having, I have had before. So let's see here. Inbox. I think they sent it to me on Facebook. We are focus. Can you do the same update using the Autel Maxi Flash J-Box? Yes, you can. Alright, so this is a different phone than the last one, and it doesn't want to focus either. So I think Facebook or YouTube's got something messed up. Anyways, let me look here. Alright, I can't find the message. I forgot who sent, where I've got the message at. Basically, the question was, he's using a Cardac Plus 3, and he keeps getting a lost communication with VCI error while trying to talk to it. I have had this error myself with my Cardac 3 and with my Bosch J-Box. What I have determined is there's some issue with the software setup on your computer. So here's the answer I have for you. I've had 5 or 6 people have this exact same issue, and the only way we found to fix it was to basically use a completely different computer. It's some kind of issue where we were all using Windows 10 Pro. I have an SIR I followed with Nastiff on this one, and I can't get them to message me back. They won't put my SIR on the website, So like if I go to, I'll show you guys actually. Sorry for calling out NASTIF. I have to use them all the time. I just wish that they would answer my questions. They don't answer their phone. I've sent emails. I've used the contact us link. I've used all of that. So I will show you guys exactly the problem that I ran into. Ticket received. That's not it. Let's see. Let me find this. So I submitted an SIR. Right, so I will show you guys this. So this is an email from NASTIF where 2015 Cherokee reprogramming. It is an SIR number 967. And if you look, I was using a Card Act 3 Plus. Have issues, used a Bosch MasterTech, attempting to receive multiple calls. I couldn't, basically here's the deal. I was getting lost communication with VCI myself. It bricked 2 modules. Oh, hold on, I got to, I'll review this, continue this in a second. Turn ignition switch off. So we turn the push button ignition off. Click continue. Turn the key on, go back. Turn the key back on. All right, we did that. All right, so it's going to rescan the vehicle, view all the DTCs, and then we'll clear all of them. All right, so now if you go to NASTIF's website, go to Service Information Request, go to View and search all the SRs. So 9, 64, 65, 66, nothing. Totally skipped it. Didn't put it, or I guess a bunch of other ones on the website. So 960 is not on there, 61, 62 is on there, 63, 64, 65, 66. I filed that SIR on (6/25/2019). I've yet to receive a single contact back. So this turned into like a call out for NASTIF. Anyways, I had the same issue. What I'd found is changing computers fixed it. I don't know what to tell you guys other than try changing computers and hopefully it fixes it. I bricked 2 modules, was able to recover them with the micropod. So this is an SIR fault. This is a condition where a JBox could not program this module correctly. I got a hold of YTech, used YTech support. We tried for 2 weeks total. We tried 4 or 5 attempts before we got them to be recovered. We were able to recover them and complete the flashes with factory tooling. So it is a problem that they have to fix because it doesn't comply with the J2534 standard. Anyways, that flash is complete. I gotta get going, guys. We'll see you next time. Like I said, don't forget lowered the cost on the online subscription to $20 a month. So www.l1training.com, and we'll see you guys next time.